Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to do edge paired OLL case. So what that means is when you get like this piece, it's more of like a pattern. So this is normally flipped like top way. That is facing the middle piece is facing the opposite, and the third piece is facing the same place as the first place. So OLL and like the special algorithms on big cubes, you need like a special algorithm in order to solve it, which I'll be explaining to you now. So what I'll do is I'll go slow and I'll say the moves that I'm doing, so you can keep up and you can remember the moves yourself. All right. So here we go. R, U2. So let me just go back. So R, this you're moving it up. U2, like that with the first layer. Move it twice that way. And the X move, which you go like this. So from this side to this side. So you miss one move down. You do the same thing but twice. So R, U2, R, U2, and now what you're going to do is the R prime, which you take the 3 layers, which are this, move it on the bottom, U2 but the opposite direction, so 1 layer, R prime, this is going here, so like this, R prime, U2, R prime. So this is going here, R prime, U2, R. So basically this is moving up here, R, U2, but the opposite direction, R prime. Right, remember 2 layers, U2 but the opposite direction, and R. So now after you do that, you can just solve it like a 3x3, and then your cube will be solved. So I hope you guys liked that video. Hit the subscribe button and like the video if you want. Bye.